My name is Dominik Antoni. I am the plant manager at the Andechser dairy and responsible for all operational processes, ranging from purchasing, materials management, production planning, and production to technology, maintenance, and quality assurance. Here at the Andechser dairy, we exclusively process organic milk, organic goat's milk, organic cow's milk, into a wide range of dairy products, from alpine butter to goat's yogurt. My name is Tobias Meyer. Since 2019, I have been employed as a project manager at the Andechser dairy. In 2019, we secured 2 projects. One of the projects was in the area of PCS, while the other was in the area of MES. The MES project incorporated complete plant recording. Another part of the MES solution involved replacing the existing maintenance system. This concerned planning software, parts of which still had to be maintained manually. This means that we also incorporated our newly developed detailed planning system, and were thus also able to ensure more efficient planning and provide planners with real-time production feedback without having to call the control rooms. Based on our positive experience with automation, we also decided to work with ProLeiT in the area of MES. A major advancement that we have achieved is the fully automatic systemic traceability of milk through our plant. As part of the MES project, we ensured seamless traceability. In other words, from the filling order to milk reception, we can track and trace the entire process in detail and know exactly from which truck or from which receiving truck the pot comes. With ProLeiT, we can immediately use the data generated from the processes within this system or also make it available for other systems. This allows the controlling team to react swiftly in the event of traceability and to ensure rapid data availability. By using the MES system, we now have comprehensive access to all process data, enabling us to reduce our water consumption by over 20%. Digitalization is also primarily driven by the reporting system and the dashboards. To achieve this, we record all the product parameters essential for reporting and progressively phase out the still circulating sheets of paper to facilitate paperless production. This prevents incorrect entries. Everything is recorded digitally and can also be tracked and traced very quickly over an extended period of time, and above all, can be accessed promptly for audits. Even in challenging and complex project scenarios, we have always collaborated closely and successfully achieved all project objectives. We look forward to continuing our collaboration.